Aries, my fire babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page been a blessing to you. Your word of the day is the calm before the storm. So you know what this means. It's time to take a chill pill. It's time to go with the flow. Let your fire be balanced where it's not scorching hot, where it can cause a wildfire, consume the whole world, but a fireplace where the whole community can come, roast marshmallows, make s'mores, become a loving frequency, a loving heat that draws in the things that you want, because the calm means the calm before the storm of blessings come through. The new season is upon us and you've done all the work. So sit back, relax. Since you've done all you can, let Lord God, Spirit, Universe, Source, Strength, Jesus Christ do their part, because you've done everything you can as a co-creator. Now let the creator do his part and elevate you to the next level. You're going to skyrocket. I live and breathe and grow with the light within me. I do one thing at a time, and I focus on the present moment and be peaceful. I cast off doubts. Fear dissipates, and I find peace in my being. There's no reason to doubt, because you've already won. You made it to the calm. You went through the storm of creating. Now you're just getting to the calm so you can get to the storm of blessings. Fear dissipates because once you look it in the eye, it shall run away the other way so quickly. And you continue to walk down your path to your promised land, to your manifestations and breakthroughs. And you'll be great. Love one another. Be kind to one another. And love yourself. I love you too.